Wisdom is not a product of schooling but of the lifelong attempt to acquire it. Let's nourish our minds and look into what natural remedy we can use to maintain optimal health. First, let's learn a little about the vital importance of liver in our body. The liver's main function is to maintain the body's metabolic balance. Let's look at some of the liver's main functions. One of the liver's major function is detoxification of the entire body. It filters blood coming from the digestive tract, removes toxins, drugs, and harmful substances and breaks them down and excretes them through bile or urine. Another major function is metabolic processes. The liver breaks down carbohydrates, fat, and protein for metabolism. The liver breaks down fatty acids and produces cholesterol for energy production for our organs and brain. It regulates blood sugar levels, processes nutrients from food, and produces cholesterol and proteins necessary for fat transport in the body. Protein synthesis is another vital function. The liver produces important proteins like albumin, which helps carry hormones and drugs throughout the body, and clotting essential for blood coagulation. The liver is also involved in hormone production. Insulin like growth factor 1, angiotensinogen, thrombopoietin, hepcidin, beta-trophin, and 25-hydroxyvitamin D are some of the major hormones the liver produces. Bile production is a vital function of the liver. The liver produces bile, which is crucial for fat digestion and absorption in the small intestine. Storage. The liver stores vitamins A, D, E, K, and B12, and minerals, iron and copper, for the bloodstream when needed. It is also responsible for storing excess fats in form of glycogen for later energy use and breakdown. The liver has a crucial role in immune system function. It is the frontline defense of the immune system by filtering out pathogens and activating the immune defense system. This organ also processes bilirubin, a byproduct of red blood cell breakdown, preventing jaundice. This superorgan performs over 500 vital tasks and is indispensable for our overall health and survival. Fatty liver disease is the most common ailment of the liver and can be lethal long-term if not treated. Fatty liver disease is a condition where excess fat builds up in the liver cells. It can be categorized into two main types: non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, and alcoholic fatty liver disease. NAFLD is not related to alcohol consumption and is often associated with obesity, diabetes, and high cholesterol. Fatty liver can lead to inflammation, liver damage, and even cirrhosis if left untreated. Now that you know how vital the liver is to the overall well-being, wouldn't you want to keep it in great health? There is an unassuming fruit tree that can cure and prevent fatty liver disease. The jujube plant, also known as Ziziphus jujuba or Chinese dates, has been used in traditional medicine for over 4,000 years. Jujube fruits are rich in nutrients and have been used to treat various ailments, including liver metabolic function, insomnia, anxiety, skin care, and digestive issues. Jujube fruit offers numerous health benefits, particularly for liver health. Jujube has major antioxidant properties and is rich in phenolic compounds and flavonoids, which help protect liver cells from oxidative stress and damage. Anti-inflammatory effects of jujube contain polysaccharides that reduce inflammation in the liver, protecting against liver damage. Enzyme-reducing compounds in jujube help lower levels of liver enzymes like alanine transaminase, ALT, and aspartate transaminase, AST, indicating improved liver function. Protection against toxins. Jujube nourishes the defense pathways, enhancing the liver's antioxidant defenses and protecting against liver damage. Let's look at the chemical breakdown of jujube. Jujube fruit contains several bioactive compounds that contribute to its hepatoprotective effects. Hepatocytes are the cells that make up 80% of the liver and needed for proper function and always need protection. Jujubes are high in phenolic acids, protocatechoic acid, catechol, p-hydroxybenzoic acid, vanillic acid, and p-coumaric acid. Jujubes also have polysaccharides that are natural sugars with antioxidant properties and help reduce inflammation. The antioxidants in jujube enhance the enzymes of the liver, superoxide dismutase, SOD, and glutathione peroxidase, GSHPX, which provides protection against oxidative toxins. For the liver to have healthy metabolic function and reduce fatty liver, it needs antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents and a nutrient-rich diet. To maintain a healthy liver function and cure or prevent fatty liver, do this daily. Take 5 jujubes and poke them with a fork. Place in a large glass and fill with 1 cup of water. Soak for 5 hours in the fridge and drink. Jujube fruit has additional benefits in eliminating insomnia and is known for its sedative properties, helping to improve sleep quality and duration. Steep 7 jujube in 1 cup hot water and before drinking add 1 teaspoon of rose water and drink for great sleep. The antioxidants in jujube also promote healthy skin by protecting against oxidative damage and improving skin hydration and suppleness. For an acne-free or glowing skin, take 7 jujubes and 1 tablespoon of barberries and steep in 1 cup of hot water and drink for 2 weeks. In traditional medicine, jujubes are used to moisten the lungs and alleviate coughs and asthma due to their anti-inflammatory properties. For chest infections, cough, or sore throat, steep 7 jujubes in 1 cup hot water and before drinking add 1 tablespoon of honey for 2 weeks. Jujube fruit is high in fiber, which is excellent for gut microbiome health. 100 grams of jujube contains 79 calories, 20 grams of carbohydrates, 1 gram of protein and 10 grams of fiber. Jujube can be consumed on its own, several times a week for lasting benefits, but more may cause bloating. To harness the full benefits of jujubes, it's best to steep it or drink after soaking it. In conclusion, jujube fruit is a promising natural remedy for managing and eliminating fatty liver disease. Additionally, it offers benefits for sleep, respiratory, and skin health, making it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Always practice with caution and safety and consult a physician before making any changes to your health. Thank you for watching. For more similar content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.